Good morning, children. How are you? Okay, welcome back to our class. In the previous classes, we are discussing multiplying numbers. Okay, are you do all problems in the previous classes? Okay, we are discussing in this chapter multiplying 3-digit numbers by 3-digit numbers and multiplying 4-digit numbers by 1-digit number, and also we are discussing multiplying 4-digit number by 2-digit number. Okay, when I ask you one question, are you visiting any shop for buying dresses? Okay, if you suppose that you are going to one shop and buying one shirt. You like that shirt, its cost is 2,655. 2,655. Then your brother also like that shirt. You desire to. Your brother and your father want to buy the same company of shirt, same company shirt. So they desire to buy that shirt. The shopkeeper says that we will reduce the cash and one shirt have 2,600 only. 2,600 only. Then you needed how many shirts? Good, 3 shirts for your brother, you and your father. So you needed 3 shirts. Then how much money you want to pay? How you get? Yes, you want to multiply these 2 numbers. So how you get those 2,600 from 2,655? Is it correct? Yeah, from the rounding off. Many of the shopkeepers says that this is like this. But this rounding off is correct. What is the reason here? Here rounding off 100. In the rounding of 100 here, we want to check the tens place value. Tens place is 5. We know that in tens place is 5 or more than 5. We want to add 1 to the 100 place. So this number rounding off 2,700. Okay. Then today we are discussing a new topic, estimating product. Estimating product. Estimating product. Estimate is sum and difference also you are studying. How you get estimated sum and difference? Estimated sum and difference. Yes, first we want to rounding off the given numbers. Then we want to add or subtract. Okay, we will do one problem. We will discuss today how to find the estimating sum. Okay, write this question. The same question, 2,655 into 3. First, we want to rounding off this number. So, 2,655 rounding off 100. Rounding off 100. 2,655. Rounding off 100. What is the value? This is rounding off 100. Rounding off 100. So we want to check the tens place value. Tens place is 5. Tens place is 5. So in tens place digit is 5 or more than 5. We want to add 1 to the 100 place number or digit. 1, add 1 to the 100 place digit. So here 6 is there. So we want to add 1 to the 6. What is the value? 7. The left side there is no change. So 2, 6 becomes 7. Then remaining places put it 0. Okay, then into 3. So 2655, the estimated product of 2655 into 3 is, we can change 2655 to 2700 into 2. Okay, then you know that how to find the product. 2700 into 2. Okay, in this case, after the digits, after the number, some zeros are there. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So you just take that zeros outside. You take the zeros outside. After the numbers, any zeros are there. How many number of zeros are there? That number of zeros you put outside. The remaining digit is 27 into 2. Okay, then you find out the product of 27 into 2. 7 into 2, good, 14. 1 as a carry. 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. What is the value here? 54. We are writing 54 here. Then how many zeros we are writing outside? 2. So that 2 zeros we are putting here. 5400. Got it? So we will check it. That correct answer. 0 into 2, 0. 0 into 2, 0. 2 into 7, 14. 4 here, 1 as a carry. 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Same answer you got it. Okay. Then we will do another problem. Find the estimating product of 7482 into 4. 7482 into 4. Then what we want to do first? Yes, first number we want to rounding off. Here we want rounding off 100 and rounding off tens, rounding off 1000 also we can do. So first we want to do rounding off tens. Rounding off 10. 10. How it's rounding off ones place number is 5 or more than 5. We want to add 1 to the tens place digit. So here 2. Here ones place is 2. So we want to add 1 to the tens place digit? No. So we are writing the left side there is no change. 7, 4, 8. Here 0 into 4. Okay, then rounding off 100. Rounding off 100. Here we want to check tens place digit. Tens place digit is 5 or more than 5. We want to add 1 to the hundreds place digit. So here 8. Tens place is 8. So it's greater than 5. So we want to add 1 to the 100 place digits. Left side there is no change. Same digit 7. Instead of 4 we want to write 5. We want to add 1 to the 100 place digit. Then remaining place 0. Okay, then rounding off 1000. What we want to check? The 100 place digit is more than or 5 or less than 5. Here 100 place is 4, which is less than 5. So we want to add 1 to the 1000 place digit. No need. So what is 7000? Okay. Then we will find the estimating product. Here into 4. Here also into 4. Into 4. Okay, here only 1 0. After the digits 1 0 only. We'll leave that 0. Without 0, we want to multiply first. 748 into 4. 4 into 8. Yes, 32. We are writing 2 here. 3 as a carry. 4 into 4. 16. 16 plus 3. Good. 19. 1 as a carry. 7 into 4. What? Yes, 28. Here 1 carry is there, 29. So, 7,480 into 4 is 748 into 4 is 2,992. But we want to find the product of 7,480 into 4. So, you put the 1 0 here. 29,920 is the answer. Then here after the digits 2 zeros are there. So, without 0, what is the value? 75. Then we find the 75 into 4. 5 into 4. Yes, good. 20. We are writing 2 as a carry. 7 into 4. Yes, 28. 28 plus 2? 30. So, we are writing here 300. Then, how many zeros here? 2 zeros. Look here. We can rounding off this number as 1000. Here we also get 3000. Sorry, 30,000. Then here, what's the value here? After the digits, 3 zeros are there. Without 0, only 7. 7 into 4, 28. Okay. Then we will do one problem from your textbook. Okay. Before doing one problem from textbook, I will ask one question for you. How many of them know rounding of numbers? Rounding of numbers is very easy. So first I explain how to rounding of numbers. Okay, rounding of 10 means we want to check the ones place digit. Ones place digit is 5 or more than 5. We want to add 1 to the tens place digit. The remaining places, 100, 1,000, 10,000 places are same. Then we want to check the rounding of 100. We want to check tens place digit. Tens place digit is 5 or more than 5. We want to add 1 to the 100 place digit. Then 1,000 place digit is same digit. Remaining place ones and tens place is putting 0. Then we want to rounding of 1,000. Rounding of 1,000, we are checking the place of 100. 100 place digit is 5 or more than 5. We want to add 1 to the 1,000 place. Okay. Then 10,000 place, there is no need of changing. Remaining 100 place, the tens place, ones place, want to put 0. Okay. We will do one problem. Are you do alone? (9,872) into 3. You rounding off the highest place. Rounding of highest place. Find the estimated product of 9,872 into 3. First, we want to find, rounding of highest place. Here highest place is, which is the highest place here? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000. So, which is the highest place? 1,000. So, we want to rounding of 1,000. Rounding of 1,000. We want to rounding of 1,000. 9,872. So, we want to rounding of this number. Rounding of this number. Just look here. We want to rounding of 1,000. So, which place we want to check? Ones place. Tens? Yes, hundreds place we want to check. In hundreds place here, 8 is there. Hundreds place here, 8 is there. 8 is less than or greater than 5? Good, it's greater than 5. So we want to add 1 to the 1000 place digit. So here 1000 place is 9. You add 1 to the 1000 place digit. What is the value? 9 plus 1, 10. Then 100 place, we are putting 0. 10's place. Sorry, 1's place also 0. So rounding off 1000, 9872 is 10,000. Got it? Then we want to find the estimating product of 9872 into 3. Instead of 9872, we can write 10,000 into 3. 10,000 into 3. Yes, 30,000. How you get this answer? You look here. How many zeros are there? 4 zeros. After the digits, 4 zeros. Without 0, only 1 and 3. 1 into 3, 3. Then putting 4 zeros. Got it? Then you will do one problem alone. Okay, write this question. You're rounding off highest place. Okay. Find the estimating product of 4327 into 5. Okay, do. Okay, can I say the answer? First, we want to rounding off this. Here, highest place ones, tens, 100,000. Here also 1000. So, we want to rounding off 1000. Rounding off 1000, we want to check the 100 place digit. 100's place is 3. 3 is less than 5. So, we want no need of adding 1. So, 1000 place 4. Remaining place is 0. So, 4327, instead of that number, we will write 4000 into 5. So, very easy to find. Here, after the 3 zeros, without 0, only 4 into 5. 4 into 5, good, 20. Then how many zeros we want to put here? 1, 2, 3. So, 3 zeros we want to put here. So, what is the value? Estimating product of 4327 into 5. 20,000. Got it? Then take your textbook. In textbook, in previous class, I told some questions for you. How many of you are doing that questions? First question, filling the blanks. 2134 into 20. Okay. 0 into 4, 0. 0 into 3, 0. 0 into 1, 0. 0 into 2, 0. 2 into 4, 8. 3 into 2, 6. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 2, 4. 0, 8, 6, 2, 4. 42,680 is the answer. 4,000, second question, 4,459 into 40. Okay. Then without 0, you can multiply it. You know that. Without 0, you multiply with 4,459 into 4. Then put 0 only. That's not a problem. 0 into 9, 0. 0 into 5, 0. 0 into 4, 0. 0 into 4, 0. 4 into 9, 36. 3. 4 into 5, 20. 20 plus 3, 23. 2. 4 into 4, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 1. 16 plus 1, 17. 0, 6, 3, 8, 7, 1. 1,78,360 is the answer. Okay. All are got this answer? Then multiply using column method. Multiply using column method. 1020 into 14. 4 into 0, 0. 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 0, 0. 1 into 4, 4. 0, 2, 0, 1. 0, 8, 2, 4, 1. 14,280 is the answer. Second, 2,676 into 26. Okay, correct your answers. 6 into 6, 36. 3. 6 into 7, 42. 42 plus 3, 45. 4. 6 into 6, 36. 36 plus 4, 44. 6 into 2, 12. 12 plus 6, 16. 2 into 6, 12. 7 into 2, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 6 into 2, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 6, 7, 5, 9, 6. This is the answer. Third question. 3009 into 65. 5 into 9, 45, 4. 0 into 5, 0 plus 4. 4, 0 into 5, 0, 0 into, 3 into 5, 15, 6 into 9, 54, 5, 0 into 6, 0, plus 5, 5, 0 into 6, 0, 6 into 3, 18, 5, 8, 5, 5, 9, 1. 1,95,585. Fourth question, 6,980 into 55. Find 0, 0. Find 8, 40. 4. 9 into 5, 45. 45 plus 4. 49. 6 into 5, 30. 30 plus 4, 34. 5 into 0, 0. Find 8, 40, 4. Find 9, 45. 45 plus 4, 49, 4. 30, 30 plus 4, 34. 0, 0, 9, 30, 8, 3. 3,83,900. Okay. Then third question. One story problem or word problem. A toy factory has 25 different departments to make toys. In each department, they are making 3,245. Then how many departments are there? 25. So we want to multiply the numbers. 5 into 5, 25. 2, 4, 20. 20 plus 2, 22. 10, 12. 15, 16. 10, 8, 9, 4, now carry 6, 5, 2, 11, 11, 8. 81,125 toys are made. Next workbook, some problems are also there. First question they will do. They do here. Then second question, 3679 into 40. Okay. 0, 0, 0, 0. 4 into 9, 36. 3. 28. 28 plus 3. 31. 24. 24 plus 3. 27. 4 into 3. 12. 12 plus 2. 14. 0, 6, 1, 7, 4, 1. 1,47,116. Then second question, multiply 2,223 into 13. 3 into 3, 9, not right, 6. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 3, 6. 1 into 3, 3. 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 2, 2. 9, 9, 8, 8, 2. 28,899 is the answer. The next 4,764 into 35. 5 into 4, 20, 2, 30, 30 plus 2, 32, 35, 35 plus 3, 38, 20, 23. 12, 18, 18 plus 1, 19, 1, 7 into 3, 21, 21 plus 1, 20, 2, 2, 3 into 4, 12, 12 plus 2, 14. 0, 4, 7, 6, 6, 1. 1,66,740 is the answer. Then one story problem. A publisher wants to publish a book that has 99 pages. On each page, he wants to print 1,234 words. How many words will the book have? Total in each page, 1,234 words are there. How many pages are there? 99 pages are there. Then multiply. 9 into 4, 36, 3, 27, 27 plus 3, 30, 18, 18 plus 3, 21, 9, 9 plus 2, 9 plus 2, 11. 9, 4, 36, 3, 9 to 3, 27, 27 plus 3, 30, 9 to 2, 18, 18 plus 3, 21, 1 into 9, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 6, 6, 1, 2, 2, 1. So how many words are there? 1,22,166 words are there. Okay. Then the previous class questions also we are discussing. In this chapter we are studying multiplying numbers. First we are studying how to multiply 3-digit numbers by 3-digit numbers. Second, how to multiply 4-digit numbers by 1-digit number. Third, we are discussing multiplying 4-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers. Today we are discussing estimating product. How you find the estimating product? First, we want to convert the given number to rounding of numbers nearest to 100 or 1000. Then find the product. Okay. Then we are discussing some problems from your textbook. Estimating the product. In the workbook, 3 questions are there. First question, circle the number that is obtained by rounding off each numbers to its highest place. So, here rounding off highest place. We will discuss here how to rounding off highest place. Here first number is 576. Then here 100th place, rounding off 100 we want to write. So, which place? It mark it. Circulate that number. Then second number 3225. That is you want to rounding off 1000. Find the estimated product. One has been done for you. Here the given numbers is rounding off 100. So all numbers you want to rounding off 100 first, then find the product. Okay. Then one story problem. Basket traveled 116 kilometers every day for 175 days on an all India tour. Estimate the total distance that he traveled in kilometers. So, each numbers you should convert to 100. Rounding off 100, then find the product. Okay. Then textbook some problems also. Rounding off numbers to their highest place. Here given numbers highest place you rounding off. Second, estimate the product of the numbers and then find the actual product. First you find out the estimated product, then also find the actual product. Both product we want to find out. Actual product means this like the actual product. Estimated product means first we want to rounding off, then find the product. Then third problem. Sundara's mother bought 23 toys, each for rupees 456 for her shop. What is the estimated amount that she spent on the toys? She bought 23 toys for her shop. How much rupees for each toys? 456. So you find out the estimating product. Okay. Today we will discuss estimating product. So you do from your textbook and workbook problems. Okay, thank you.